everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you these cute high-waisted pants I got for the summer. These high-waisted pants are super comfortable. I love the fact that are 70% cotton and 30% linen, making it super cool and fresh to wear in the summer. I also like this side pockets. It's super comfortable, so you can carry either your phone, makeup, or anything you need. The waistband is elasticized, so it makes it super comfortable as well. You don't have to deal with any buttons or any zipper. These pants are great if you either want to dress them up or if you want to dress them down. I love how they feel cool, fresh, and they're stylish, and the quality is great. These pants come in a variety of different colors. I love them, and I know you will too. These summer pants are super comfortable, they are stylish, and I love the quality. I would highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.